Hello and welcome to this product demo. I'm Sebastian and I present to you Storyblox. Storyblox empowers museums and cultural organizations to tell their unique stories by leveraging AI technologies for content creation, translation, and voice cloning. On our website, which is accessible on storyblox.it, you can see an overview of different stories told by different cultural organizations, youth organizations, and local artists. In the first row, you can see a selection of our favorite stories. Then you can see a selection of different locations where these stories are told. And then you can see more stories that are available on the platform. If you select one story, you can see an overview of different images that you will discover during the story. You can see a chapter overview. You can see the creator of the story, the place where it was created, or which it is connected to, the length, and the steps. You can also see in which languages the story is available. And what one of our most wanted features is that a creator creates the story in one language and we automatically translate and voice clone that story for different languages. So whatever visitor might hear your story, it is in their mother tongue. When you click on the start of the story, we show you the product as in a mock-up of a phone, because most of our visitors are inside the location. Then you choose the language. Here you can also scan the QR code to watch it on your phone, and you click start.
Hello, everybody.
Now we saw that the story was downloaded offline to the cache of the user's phone, because in many locations like churches and museums, due to thick walls, there is hardly any mobile data and also Wi-Fi connection, especially in small museums, which are most of our partners. They don't have access to Wi-Fi. Now you can see a regular multimedia player. You can
I'm,
play pause. You can
we begin our
to the next chapter. You can see a transcription which is created with AI from the audio, and you can see an overview of the chapters. You can also switch the language and the playback speed here. So on the phone, it is
we
very
see here
similar
this
to
depiction of
how
Christopher
Instagram works, and
Saint.
many of
If
our
we look up higher now,
users really appreciate that. Another feature we were thinking a lot about was the navigation in locations. If there is no mobile data available, it also means that there is no GPS location available often. So we completely depend on an image navigation system. So we create images of the speaker, pointing you in the right directions and also giving you a hint here as a navigation system.
we see this image of Christopher is very large because
You can continue your journey.
these depictions, once follow me to the fresco on the left. Follow me. When you're in front of the painting, press the start button. We see a Baroque image.
Now we go back and we can see we are also saving the progress of the user. Another feature we obviously have is the switching of languages. And also we allow now the possibility for our creators to put a paywall in front of their stories, because many of them just create it for free and then want to generate revenue with it. But that's in the very early stages. Our business model is mostly focused on that. So when creators create stories that are captivating, that are of high quality, visitors are willing to pay for them, and we get a proportion of that sale. Thank you so much for watching this product demo. I hope you enjoyed and looking forward to meeting you soon.